All right, here's a little bonus for you. If you are a Google Calendar person, I'm going to show you how you can translate what you've just built using Excel or Google Sheets into a Google Calendar that can be easily referred to as you're actually working in your calendar. And I found this to be a really awesome tool. So we're going to pop into the Hatch Tribe calendar. And what you're going to start by doing is building a new calendar. So this is my calendar right now. So these are things that, are occurring that I've already scheduled. But if I want to use this and build it as a guide, what we're going to do is create another calendar. So we'll go to create new calendar. And in this case, let's just call it intentional day. Create the calendar. Now we're going to wait for this thing to build itself, which no doubt will probably take longer than I want it to. And I'll just talk through a little bit of the philosophy of this as this is going. So what we're looking to do is create a space for you to see this in your calendar so that you can easily toggle the button on and off and see what's there. So great, it's starting to build right now, intentional day. So in the calendar that we just did together, say I had planned a workout, right? And the workout was all Monday through Friday from 6 to 7. So here we can take this workout, 6 to 7 a.m., hit more options, come to repeat, weekly, Monday through Friday, save, and that's gonna build that across, okay? Now, the work block, or well, the block that was right after this was called getting ready, right? So this meant like shower and eat and blah, blah, blah. Same situation. So we know that this is going to recur Monday through Friday, and we hit save. Now, we know that from 8 to 8:30, we have this little drive sort of buffer block. So 8 to 8:30, more options will come here. Repeats weekdays, Monday through Friday, save. Now I'm a color person and I'd like to match things. So you'll know that that was gray on that calendar we were building, right? So I might want to mirror that. I'll just show you what that looked like here, right? So these were pink, this was gray. And now I'm gonna build this email block. So it's 8:30 to 9:30 on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay. So check this. Email, 8:30 to 9:30, more options. It does repeat, but we're going to do this custom, and it repeats on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we're going to hit done, and I'm going to change the color to that bright blue that we had in the other one. Now, you might be thinking, Lord Hilary, you're crazy with all this color coding. But this is just how my brain works. Yours doesn't have to do that. All right, let's build just a couple more, and then I think you're gonna get the sentiment of how this works. So let's just do 2 more for shits and giggles. So let's take team meeting. That's Mondays only. So here, team meeting, 9:30 to 10:30. We will come down here to more options. I'm going to make it repeat weekly on Monday, and I'm going to change the color to this shade of blue. Cool. Now let's put in one more. Let's take this marketing focus. We have 8:30 to 10. So here I'm going to do marketing focus, 8:30 to 10 a.m. More options. This is something that's going to repeat weekly on Tuesday. And in this case, it's that purple color. So we'll just say that's close enough. Okay, you follow? Now, here's where these things can overlay. So let's take a look at what's in my calendar. Now, mind you, this is not my intentional day. This was an example one. But if we were to overlay that with my own calendar, we can see where some things are similar or not, or where we might have some issues. So ideally, what we would be doing is leaning on these work blocks and then saying like, cool, I'm not scheduling anything over that. This is when I'm doing those things. But we can use this as a real guide as we start to schedule. Makes sense? So I like it living here because it gives me a way of really looking at what I intended to do, and then I can overlay it here. And if we went further out, we'll see like I have a little bit less on my calendar, I book pretty far out. Jeez. So maybe I'm not a good example of what this looks like with this particular one, but you get the point.